Hey everyone! Welcome back to our fun drawing time. Today we're going to draw an awesome block-style character, just like a game world. Don't worry if you're just starting. I'll guide you step by step and we'll draw it together. So grab your paper and pencil and let's get ready to build and draw. Let's start drawing our robot. First, draw a big upside-down U shape. This will be the top and sides of the robot's head. Make the line straight and nice. Great job! You're off to a fantastic start. Great job so far. Now let's add some small straight lines under the top. Draw a few short vertical lines going down. These will help us make the robot's blocky hair. Keep them evenly spaced. Awesome work! Nice work! Now let's connect those lines to make blocky shapes. Draw little steps going left and right like stairs. This will create the robot's cool, blocky hair. Take your time and follow the pattern. Wow, it's starting to look like a robot! You're doing great! Now let's draw the bottom of the head. From both sides, draw lines going down. Then connect them with a long curved line at the bottom. This makes the robot's face shape. Awesome job! Awesome progress! Now let's add the robot's ears. Draw a small curved shape on each side of the head. They look like little handles. Try to make both sides the same. Great job! Your robot is looking even cooler! Looking great! Now let's add some details on the top of the head. Draw a few short lines across the hair. These lines make it look like robot blocks. You can draw them in different places. Awesome! Your robot is getting more detailed. Awesome job! Now let's add more block details to the hair. Draw lines that connect and form little rectangles and steps. Fill in the spaces to make it look like stacked blocks. Take it slow and follow the shapes carefully. Wow, your robot's head looks super cool now! Looking awesome! Now let's draw the robot's eye. Draw a big circle on one side of the face. Then color it in and leave a small white spot for a shiny sparkle. Wow! Your robot is starting to come alive! Great job! Now let's draw the second eye. Make another big circle on the other side. Color it in and don't forget the little shiny spot. Try to make both eyes the same size. Wow, your robot looks super cute now. You're doing amazing. Now let's give our robot a happy smile. Draw a curved line in the middle of the face. Make it nice and smooth like a smile. You can add a little curve at the end too. Wow, your robot looks so friendly now. Amazing work! Now let's draw the robot's body. Under the head, draw a big rectangle. Make it nice and straight on all sides. This will be the robot's body. Great job! Your robot is getting bigger. Great job! Now let's connect the head to the body. Draw two short lines under the head. This makes the robot's neck. Keep the lines straight and even. Awesome! Your robot is coming together. You're doing fantastic! Now let's add the robot's shoulders. Draw small rectangles on both sides of the neck. These sit right on top of the body. Try to make them the same on both sides. Great job! Your robot is getting stronger. Wow, you're doing amazing! Now let's add details to the robot's body. Draw some straight lines across the body. You can also add a few small lines here and there. This makes it look like robot blocks and panels. Awesome! Your robot is looking super cool! Great job so far! Now let's add a small shape under the neck. Draw a little blocky step shape in the middle. This is part of the robot's chest detail. Make it nice and centered. Awesome! Your robot is getting more detailed. Wow, you're doing such an amazing job! Now let's fill the body with block details. Draw small rectangles and lines all over the body. Make it look like stacked bricks. You can add them in different sizes and places. Awesome! Your robot looks super strong and cool. You're doing awesome! Now let's draw one arm. On one side of the body, draw a rectangle sticking out. This will be the robot's arm. Make it nice and straight. Great job! Your robot is starting to move. Great job! Now let's add some details to the arm. Draw small rectangles on top of the arm. These look like little robot blocks. You can add 1 or 2 pieces. Awesome! Your robot's arm looks strong and cool. Awesome work! Now let's add more details to the arm. Draw a few straight lines across the arm. These make it look like robot blocks. Keep the lines nice and straight. Wow! Your robot's arm looks even cooler now. Awesome work! Now let's add more details to the arm. Draw a few straight lines across the arm. These make it look like robot blocks. Keep the lines nice and straight. Wow! Your robot's arm looks even cooler now. Wow, you're doing amazing! Now let's finish the arm with more block details. Draw small rectangles and lines to fill the arm. Make it look like stacked robot bricks. Take your time and fill the spaces. Awesome! Your robot's arm looks super strong and complete. Awesome job! Now let's draw the lower part of the arm. From the arm, draw a longer shape going down. It can be a little curved or straight. This is the robot's forearm. Great work! Your robot is getting ready to move. You're doing fantastic! Now let's finish the arm shape. Connect the lines to make a nice, smooth arm. You can make it a little curved at the bottom. This makes the robot look more friendly. Awesome! Your robot's arm is almost done! Great job! Now let's draw the other arm. On the other side of the body, draw another rectangle. Make it stick out just like the first arm. Try to keep both arms the same size. Awesome! Your robot now has 2 arms. Nice work! Now let's add some details to the other arm. Draw 2 small bumps on top, just like little blocks. Then add a few straight lines to divide the arm into sections. It should look like stacked building pieces. Great job! Both arms look amazing now. Awesome job! Now let's finish the last arm. Draw a long rectangle going down to make the lower part. Then add a curved line at the bottom to give it a soft edge. Just like that, your character's arm is complete. You're doing amazing! Almost done! Fantastic! Now let's add some details to this arm. Draw a few straight lines across the arm to make sections, just like building blocks stacked together. Keep the lines simple and even. Wow, your character is looking super cool now! Great job! Now let's finish the other arm. Draw a long rectangle going down just like the first arm. Then add a soft curved line at the bottom. Perfect! Both arms match now. Your character looks awesome! Awesome! Now let's draw the hand. At the end of the arm, draw a big round shape. Then add a small curved line inside to show the fingers. It looks like a cute little fist. Great job! Your character is really coming to life. Great job! Now let's draw the other hand. Just like before, make a big round shape at the end of the arm. Then add a small curved line inside for the fingers. Now both hands match perfectly. Your character looks super cute and strong. You did it! Now let's add one final detail. Draw a straight line at the bottom of the body to make a base. This helps your character look strong and complete. Wow, your drawing looks amazing! Great job, artist! Almost done! Now let's draw the legs. Add 2 short vertical lines going down from the body. Then draw 2 big rectangles at the bottom for the feet. Make them nice and even, like sturdy blocks. Awesome! Your character can stand now. Awesome! Draw one more rectangle on the other side for the foot. Make it the same size as the first one. Great! Now both legs match perfectly. Your character is standing strong and looks amazing. Amazing job! Now let's finish your drawing. Add the final touches to both legs. Smooth out the edges and make sure they look even and strong. You can also darken your lines to make your character stand out. Look at that! You did it! Your awesome block-style character is complete. Give yourself a big clap. Great drawing today! Alright friends, let's color our robot together. Get your crayons or markers ready. First, let's color the robot's helmet and body. Green! Use a nice bright green, just like grass or leaves. Color the arms, chest, and legs green too. Then let's color the robot's face. Use a light orange color for the face. Color carefully inside the square face. Color the hands a little orange or peach, just like the face. Next, color most of the eyes black and leave a little white spot to make them shiny and happy. Wow, look at your amazing robot! You did such a great job coloring. Now your robot is ready for an adventure. Wow, look at our drawing come to life! Say hello to our blocky little friend. He's ready to walk, explore, and go on fun adventures. Where should he go next? Let's imagine together. We love helping children learn through fun and creativity. If this video made your child smile, parents, please subscribe to support our channel. Your support truly helps us grow and bring more joyful learning moments to families like yours.